to see him quickly and to have our best wishes to recover very soon in this way. Now it's very difficult. It's very difficult, and we want to stay very close. Also, his family.
I met Sir Alex after the first leg against Rome. He passed my way when together with Gerard, and I had a few words with him. And when I heard it then yesterday on the way to London, I really couldn't believe it. It was so like that something like this can happen, but it can happen to all of us, obviously. So he was last night and will be in my prayers 100%, and I wish him and his family all the best.